Section 1. Bill of materials. The following materials are required to assemble a set of integrated pillboxes. Section 2. Tool list. The tools used in this video are number 3 hexagonal spanner, number 6 spanner, wire toggle pliers, lever-ended spanner. Section 3. Assembly of materials. First, we attach the pump shock feet to the two pump sheet metal brackets. In the same way we install the rest of the shock-absorbing feet in turn. Place the assembled sheet metal brackets in the same way as shown in the diagram. Use 410 stainless steel plug screws with M42 spacers. Fasten the left water pump lock to the left sheet metal. Fasten the right pump lock to the sheet metal. Note the direction of the notches in the sheet metal, pointing towards the pump head. Next, we use a live spanner to assemble the pump elbow. The straight end of the pump is assembled to the pump. Here it is worth noting that a waterproof gasket must be added. Finally, we assemble the pump assembly. Set it aside. The second step is to place the two flow meters according to the direction of the inlet and outlet. Connect the corresponding medicine tube and lock them with nuts. Note the direction of the flow meter arrow pointing towards the long pipe. Finally, tighten with a spanner. Assemble the other flow meter assembly in the same way. Set aside. The third step is to plug the outlet T. Outlet T. Screw cap on the outlet. Outlet cover. Assemble the water pump inlet pipe together. Note, 225 true gaskets need to be fitted to the outlet cover. Be careful not to reverse the outlet gasket. Next, attach the T-plug, both sides of the outlet T connector. Use a number 6 hexagonal spanner to tighten. Afterwards, assemble the outlet T with the outlet cover. Assemble the outlet T and the outlet cap together. Secure with wire cutters. Finally, assemble the pump inlet pipe and the pump outlet T are assembled together. Fix with nuts. Step 4. Place the two medicine box cable clips in the direction of. Place them in the designated position of the medicine box. Fasten two M46 hexagon socket screws to each. Step 5. Place the pillbox controls and components. Place the pillbox controls and components in the designated position in the pillbox. Fasten 4 XM56 socket head cap screws. Note that these are the 2 spare holes. Step 6. Use 2 M46 socket head cap screws. Attach the low-level detection module assembly. Attach to the tank body. Note the red light is pointing outwards. Step 7. Install the left and right pump assemblies. Install the left and right pump assembly into the tank body in the corresponding direction. Fasten 3 M46 socket head cap screws on each side. Attach the other pump assembly in the same way. Attach the other pump assembly to the body of the tank. Note that these 2 holes are not screwed in first. Note that the pump arrow faces upwards. Step 8. Attach the flow meter assembly to the tank body. Fasten the tubing to the pipe clamp. Note the direction of the flow meter while outlet faces right. The flow meter arrow faces upwards. Step 9. Attach the outlet cover assembly to the tank body. First, place the outlet screen into the tank body. Add the gasket. Afterwards, fix the outlet cover assembly, the pump assembly. The tank body is fixed together. Step 10. Connect all the wires to the medicine phase control and components. Plug them in tightly in the dummy-proof direction. Be careful not to insert the connections in the wrong direction. Plug in one by one according to the name. Spraying bus. Plug into the designated interface on the control board of the medicine tank. Plug in tightly in the dummy-proof direction. Step 11. Use the 4M40 socket head cap screws. Install the integrated tank cover to the tank body. This video is now complete. Review of assembly points in Section 4.